Alright, in this video I would like to show you how to download and install software called GeoGebra. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we can just type GeoGebra, and actually I've done it before, so I'm going to just use that. Alright, so you're going to see this is a GeoGebra site, and then we want to download. So app download, click there. Right, the one we're gonna use is GeoGebra Classic 6. So if you hit download, and it takes a while. Actually, it doesn't take very long. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wait. Right. So you finish that, then you can just double click on this, and it should actually start. It should start right up. Right, it's coming. I think it's still installing. Let's see. Come on. Should come up. Right. All right, it came out. Oh, actually, the window thing is a little too big, so I'm going to just make it a little bit smaller so that it fits the screen here. So I'm going to just change it to fit that. Alright, so this is software called GeoGebra. It's a very useful tool, and it's completely free, so I highly recommend it. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.